Hello, Cumberland community. Today, I just wanted to show you how to utilize electronic books or eBooks and electronic audiobooks or e-audiobooks from Limitless Libraries. First of all, Limitless Libraries, which is the website you see in front of you, is a collaboration between Nashville Public Library and Metro Nashville Public Schools libraries. And they have a lot of great electronic resources on their website. I'm going to take you through how to utilize a book or read a book online. I'll talk a little bit more about using Kindle books if you're interested in that in another tutorial. So we'll get started at the kind of typical Metro Nashville Schools desktop. And so if you go into the My MNPS folder, there's always going to be a link that will take you to Limitless Libraries. So if you click this link, the website that I was showing you will come up. You can also simply just Google Limitless Libraries Nashville, and you will also find the link to this website. Lastly, one other way would be going through your Clever account, and then you wouldn't have to log in. So if we're on the Limitless Libraries webpage here, you can go in through the All Ages area and the downloads to find a really good tool for finding all the ebooks and e-audiobooks that you might want to check out. So I'll click on downloads and I'll scroll down and you'll see a variety of different resources you can take a look at. But today we're going to focus on Overdrive for Kids. So Overdrive is a vendor that libraries use to access ebooks and to check out ebooks to their patrons. Let's click on Overdrive. All right, now that we're in Overdrive, you'll see a variety of different things. Looks like there's a display for Dr. Seuss, Read Across America, and if you scroll down, there's some other ideas that can get you thinking about what you might like to check out. One thing that I love to do, though, is to go in through the collections. So if I click collections and go into No Wait, No Problem, all of these ebooks and e-audiobooks in here will be able to be checked out right away because you do have to realize that ebooks and e-audiobooks also have a limit on the amount of people who can check them out. So you can also just go ahead and search if you would want to as well right here. But today I'm going to show you how to do it through the No Wait, No Problem. So I'm going to click No Wait, No Problem. And here you'll see a variety of different books that you might like to check out. New Kid just won the Newbery Award. That's an amazing graphic novel. But today I think I'm going to go into the picture book fiction filter. So along the side here you see there's a variety of filters to narrow down your search if you're just browsing. And the picture book fiction is interesting to me because I'm looking for electronic books that I could use for read-alouds. So if you scroll down here, you'll see a variety of different books that are ready to be checked out right away. So what you could do is click on the book and read a little bit more about it, or you could check it out and try it out and return it if you don't like it. Oh, here's a Here We Are book by Oliver Jeffers. I know Oliver Jeffers. He's a really great picture book author. So I'm going to go ahead and click Borrow to show you what that looks like. All right. So it says, Here We Are, the book's title, and it says you can borrow it for 7, 14, or 21 days. So I'm going to go ahead and borrow this just for 7 days, and I can click the Borrow button. All right, so Here We Are is checked out to you till April 1st, 2020. You can borrow 8 more titles. So I could go ahead and read this right in the browser. So I click this, and it'll open up the book in another tab, and I will be able to read this in this browser. One cool thing that I like to show people if they're reading a book on a screen is to do Function and F11 to make the computer screen full screen. So then you won't have any of the annoying toolbars and your reading experience will be nice and neat. All right, so I'm going to back out of this by clicking Function F11 again, and I'm going to go back to Overdrive. So One thing you might have noticed is it did have my information saved in here. But if you don't have your information already saved, let's see here. Let's see what that looks like. So if you're going into sign in, you would be putting in your Metro Nashville employee ID, which is going to be a long number. This is mine. And then everyone's PIN or password is going to be the same. It's 2019, unless you've already changed it. All right, I'm signed in, and if you wanted to go to your account to see what you had checked out, you can go to your loans, and you'll see my most recent checkout was here we are in the cool bean. All right, I hope this was helpful to you. Please let me know if you guys have any questions about how to access library resources. I'll make more of these videos to show you how to do a few things on Limitless Libraries.